In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your mic not working on your Lenovo laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if you're using it on a certain application, it could just be that the application you're trying to use doesn't have permission or access to it. So all I want to do is go over to my settings. So I'm going to right click on the Windows icon, and then I'm going to go ahead and look for settings, which is right here. Once you click on that, you're just gonna have to wait for it to load, and then you're gonna see a lot of options here. Go to privacy security, and then from here, I'm gonna see a lot of different options, but I wanna go to app permissions and then choose microphone, like so. And then I wanna enable microphone access. And then if I want it to be enabled for a specific application, I could go ahead and enable it just by turning it on from here. The next thing you wanna go ahead and do is go to the bottom right where it has your volume icon, right click on it, and then open up sound settings like so. Now from here, you can go ahead and choose your output device, which is basically how you're going to be listening to yourself or listening to whatever is playing on your laptop. But you want to scroll down and find your input device, which controls your microphone. So over here, just make sure the correct microphone is chosen. Right now, mine is this one, and you can literally change it to anything else that you want as well. And then make sure the volume is high enough. You can also test when you're speaking, it shows the waveform like so as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.